Hello everyone, welcome to Chanu TV. First question, Bharatanatyam is related to which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu. Next question, Dandiya is a famous folk dance of which state? A. Bihar, B. Odisha, C. Uttarakhand, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is D. Gujarat. Next question. Kathakali is a classical dance form of which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Next question. Kathputli dance is related to which state? A. Goa, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. Next question. Choufat and Sikmari dance is related to which state? A. Bihar, B. Assam, C. Sikkim, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Sikkim. Next question. Pandit Birju Maharaj is related to which dance? A. Bharatnatyam, B. Kathak, C. Manipuri, D. Kathakali. Correct answer B. Kathak. Next question. Kuchipudi is a classical dance form of which state? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Karnataka, D. Manipur. Correct answer is A. Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Jhumar and Munda dances are related to which state? A. Haryana, B. Bihar, C. Manipur, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer A. Haryana. Next question. Manipuri dance is related to which state? A. Meghalaya, B. Manipur, C. Mizoram, D. Assam. Correct answer is B. Manipur. Next question. Lavani and Tamasha are folk dances related to which state? A. Gujarat, B. Kerala, C. Rajasthan, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is D. Maharashtra. Next question. Bandhavani is the folk dance of which state? A. Bihar, B. Haryana, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is C. Chhattisgarh. Next question. Jump dance and roof dance are famous dances of which state? A. Uttarakhand, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Jammu Kashmir, D. Goa. Correct answer is C. Jammu Kashmir. Next question. Chirukula is a folk dance of which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Maharashtra, D. Goa. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Cholia and Jora dance is related to which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Rajasthan, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Next question. Siddhi dance is related to which state? A. Meghalaya, B. Manipur, C. Goa, D. Assam. Correct answer is C. Goa. Next question. Odissi classical dance belongs to which state? A. Kerala, B. Manipur, C. Bihar, D. Odisha. Correct answer is D. Odisha. Next question. Yakshagana is related to which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Karnataka. Next question. Bhaidisiya dance are related to which state? A. Bihar, B. Haryana, C. Goa, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is A. Bihar. Next question. Sakriya is a classical dance of which state? A. Kerala, B. Odisha, C. Assam, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Assam. Next question. Rukmini Devi Arundali is related to which dance form? A. Bharatnatyam, B. Kathak, C. Manipuri, D. Kathakali. Correct answer is A. Bharatnatyam. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to our channel.